Really amazing road. There's the old bike over there. I'm going to continue on and get off to Mazatlan. It takes hours to do this road, hours and hours and hours. I mean, you just stop everywhere. It's part of the trip, isn't it? If you just want to get from A to B, then that's the road down there. And if you want to have a cool motorcycle trip, this is the road here. Hell of a view up here. Little roads going everywhere down there. Down a dirt track somewhere off of the number 40. The free road, the Libre, number 40, called the Route of the Devil. And it meanders all through. It's just a spectacular road on a motorcycle. If you've never done it, I highly recommend it. This road is amazing on a motorcycle. Matter of fact, there's a bunch of rallies that go on every year over in Mazatlan, and every year the motorcycles gather from all around the world. They come from Australia and Germany, and of course many from Mexico, Harley Davidsons, all kinds of bikes, Kawasaki, Suzuki's, Moto Guzzi, Ducati, you name it. And they do this road, the Road of the Devil. It's only about 200 and something kilometers. Everybody puts their stickers up. It's all motorcycle stickers mostly. And this is a really popular route going up from Mazatlan to Durango. And man, look at all the stickers all down the coast. That's really cool. Durango. It's kind of cool, eh? Look at that. What an amazing road, man. Absolutely stunning. Look at it over here. Check this out. There's a paved road way down there with tunnels and bridges and all kinds of stuff on it. But you miss all this. You know? Like there's so many places to stop up here. There's little restaurants and eateries and little villages and this sort of thing. Try not to fall over the edge here. Statistic way down here. There it is. That's part of the autopista down there. It's a paid toll road. You take that road, that's fairly straight and fast. But for a motorcycle, this is the bomb, man. This is one of the. This is definitely bucket list stuff. The autopista. If you take that, I think it's only like 130 kilometers. Secondary road, it'll take you all day. Just put the whole day aside. Leave early from Durango or leave early from Mazatlan to do the road, the Route of the Devil. Lots of motorcycle clubs. Another cross. There's crosses all over this road. Holy cow, you wouldn't believe it. Too many to count. Countless. it's the most beautiful road, and because you'll stop and you'll take pictures and you'll eat and have coffee and this sort of thing. It's a beautiful day out today, and I'm just meandering down to the coast. Is it dangerous to ride in Mexico? And the answer is yeah, it is dangerous to ride in Mexico, but not because it's Mexico, but because it's dangerous to ride a motorcycle, period. Anywhere you go in the world, the traffic, that's the biggest threat to a foreign tourist in Mexico. And as a foreign tourist, you're kind of a protected species in Mexico. They don't want any commotion with tourism. It's a big business in Mexico. Lots and lots of people come every year. Down in Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, that's a different animal. Down in Guatemala, they don't have the tourism, and they don't really have the same value placed on it. So there's a lot more crime down there committed towards tourists. But here in Mexico, it's really, really safe. You know, you come around a corner and you hit that. That wouldn't be good, would it? There's stuff all over the road. They haven't been maintaining this road. The number 40, kilometer 205, and there's stuff all over it. And I think because those guys are working up here, so to speak. You know what I mean? So this is kind of cartel territory, Sinaloa, and there's a lot of maintenance not being done on the road up here, and I haven't seen any military or police or anybody up here except for me. So I just got stopped by some guys working the farm, say. I wanted to know where I was going, what I was doing, and he probably radioed ahead. They all had radios to make sure that I'm on course for going to where I said I was going, because I went down a side road and I got stopped, and they were pretty concerned about what I was doing and where I was from, blah blah blah. Anyways, they're okay. They all had guns and they all had radios, but I haven't seen really anybody on this road all day, except for a few Mexicans on some big bikes, and they didn't pass me. They didn't come down this far. But I noticed that the road isn't being maintained, and I think it's because the government people aren't coming up here for that reason. So anyways, I'm gonna go through this little town up here, and probably a checkpoint, see them up here, radios, etc., etc. So, hola. And yeah, Topes Mazatlan is 114 kilometers. Anyways, gonna turn it off, get back to riding. Number 40, Route of the Devil, highly recommend it. It goes about 200 kilometers from about 2,700 meters down to sea level in 200 kilometers. So it's quite dramatic, and as you can see, the view is just stunning.
Así está bien. Nada más, gíreme el manubrio, de favor. Gracias.
Tengo un número, sí.
Muy amable, pásale. Gracias.
¿Todo bien?
Pásele.
Ya, sí.
Sí, pásele.
Ok, gracias. Hola. ¿Tienes cerveza? Me gusta solamente una cerveza, por favor. Pacífico. Pacífico. Bueno, gracias. Muchas gracias. Adiós.